Hello, we are Group 3 of Seminar B. Our experiment is based in two questions. The first one is what will happen if we boil sugar drinks, such as Coca-Cola, Fanta, and apple juice. And the second one is which these of the sugar drinks will have more quantity of sugar. Our main objective is to make children aware about the quantity of sugar that these drinks bring. The materials that we will need are a scale, 3 pots, 3 glasses, the sugar drinks we choose, which are Coca-Cola, Fanta, and apple juice, and a measuring glass. The predictions that we have made are that if we boil the 3 different drinks, then the liquids will be evaporated and sugar and some other components will remain at the pot. Also, that if we boil the 3 different drinks, then Coca-Cola and Fanta will have more amount of sugar than the apple juice. We will use 100 of milligrams of each sugar drink. We boil the 3 drinks in a pot with some water. After 20 minutes boiling, we decide to accelerate the process by putting each drink in a microwave, and this was the result. All liquid has been evaporated and we only have the sugar. Here we have the different quantities of sugar that each level indicates in each drink. We have compared them with our results and we see that they are similar. So we can confirm that these levels are correct. So our first hypothesis was correct, as liquid has disappeared, has been evaporated, and sugar has remained at the pot. However, the second one was not correct, as Coca-Cola and apple juice have the same amount of sugar, while Fanta has less amount of sugar. At a macroscopic level, we can observe that liquid disappears while sugar remains in the pot. In a microscopic level, we can explain this because liquid has been evaporated, so there has happened a change of state and has become gas. This is why we cannot see liquid then. But what happens with the sugar? Sugar have been mixed with the liquid, and when this liquid has been evaporated, this sugar remains at the pot because all this mix has been broken and all connections between sugar and liquid are broken. So there is a reversible process, and what has been mixed now is separated. Hope you like it and hope you enjoy it. Thank you for your attention.